Hello, friends! Today, we're gonna show you how to make your own super cute and unique Hello Kitty latch hook rug. Whether you're a seasoned crafter or a beginner, this project is easy and fun to make with friends or family. This one-of-a-kind rug featuring everyone's best friend will make a great addition to any space in your home. So grab your materials, get comfortable, and let's get started. Here's what you'll need: latch hook canvas, a latch hook tool, scissors, a piece of cardstock, and white, black, pink, red, and yellow yarn. Download this adorable Hello Kitty printable template from the description below. The first step is to cut your strings. Use a piece of cardstock that's 2.5 inches wide and fold it in half. Now wrap some pink string around it like this. Cut through the groove you made, and you have perfectly cut strings for your rug. Now take your latch hook fabric and cut a piece that's big enough for the entire Hello Kitty pattern. The template and the fabric are divided into 10 by 10 squares. Carefully count where your first pink square is and find it on the latch hook fabric. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's going to be the square you insert the latch hook through. Start by folding your yarn into a loop, which you hold between your thumb and index finger. Insert your latch hook tool all the way through the loop. Take the tool and insert it through the square and back out the square above. Make sure you go far enough. Twist your yarn over the top of the tool so that it closes over the yarn when you pull it back through. And that's how you make a knot. Give it a tug to tighten it. Always hook the yarn on the top edge of the square. Here it is again. Make a loop, go through the square marked pink on the template. Twist your yarn loop over so the hook grabs it, pull it through, and repeat. It's easy. Pay attention to when the squares are marked with a different color. Looks like it's time to cut some black yarn. We finished our first square! Now we're going to proceed square by square for the entire rug. Make sure to follow the design and use the right color yarn for each square. Congratulations! You have just made a Hello Kitty latch hook rug. Use scissors to give your rug a haircut once you're done and make everything even. Finally, trim the excess canvas around the edges of the rug. Hello Kitty is super cute, and this fun project makes a great addition to any room and will keep your toes nice and cozy year-round. Thank you so much for watching! Hope to see you again soon! Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. See you next time!